Page 13, skipping rope. Oh, this thing just goes all over everywhere. Good luck with this one. 3/4 time with 2 flats. So we're sort of in the key of B flat major, but again, we're skipping all over everywhere. I'm going to take both hands at the same time. And again, since you're moving around, just follow their fingering in the book. So you're starting up here on B flat here, and then you have 2 G's here in the right hand, because it's treble clef, and then you have an E, C. So get these notes first. Don't worry about the rhythm, just the notes. Now, look out. Second line, 3rd and 4th major. So the left hand has to come over. That's a high C. It's not an E flat like you'd think it would be. It's not. Just leave your hands this way, because then the right hand's got to come here and the left hand's still up here. And now once you've done that and you go up, then you can move the left hand back down. C flat. This is the 3rd line down, the last 3 measures. You have a C flat, B flat. You're just coming up chromatically. And then it's here. That's what it is. The tricky part's going to be the rhythm, even though they're all quarter notes. 3/4 times. It's real slow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Not bad? Well, stick around. Let's go to the end of the 2nd line, the last 2 measures. You're up here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the last line, now it's alternating. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you get the idea? The rhythm is a little, I don't know. They're all staccatos. A nice light wrist. You can do finger staccato here if you want. Keep them short. You don't have to go that fast. The idea is keep it short until the very end. The last note, that is not staccato and it's an accent. So you're just a little louder. Now dynamic wise, this is basically a loud piece, so I guess you're going to skip rope really loudly. Now this is a challenge because you have to be very accurate. You're moving around, and that's a little harder to do when it's playing loud, so watch out. So do that, and then at the end of the 3rd line, there's a poco al poco, accelerando al fine. Oh, that's a mouthful, ain't it? Simply means little by little, get faster, gradually get faster to the end. So you're just going to keep speeding up. Don't be in a hurry to speed up. Take your time all the way to the end. So it just starts here, starting with the 2nd line. Faster. All the way to the end. Now you also crescendoing there at the end. So you're already loud. You're going to go up to very loud. Don't get carried away here. But as you're speeding up, the excitement is building. You're just going faster and louder. You land on that last note, and that's not staccato. So don't get off of. So it's here. You don't have to linger on it. It's not a fermata. The point is it's not a staccato. So give it a full beat, even though the beats are going by very fast, because according to their suggestion on the metronome, that's a dotted half note. So that's going to be, you're thinking of really that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Well, at the end, you're speeding that up all the way to the zone. You'll have to take it at your speed, and that'll come over time. Just have fun with this. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. And I can't speed up the end because I'm going to use a metronome. So I'll give us 3 counts. Now let's try it together slowly. Not going to do the dynamics. Although not a lot of dynamics, is basically a loud piece. But yeah, I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, off.